Gulf, just us and the tide slow pull, chasing the horizon, feeling that freedom to the full. Yeah, it's two gringos on the Gulf where the salty breeze blows free, casting lines and making memories, wild and happy as can be.
All right, good afternoon. We're gonna do a 4K walking tour here through Mexico City. Just come back from visiting our dear friend Jorge and Rose. So let's do a little 4K walking tour here.
We're right at the Caballito behind us here.
Making our way to El Centro. We actually caught the metro, the bus, the city bus, the small little green bus. We Ubered it there with 100 and some pesos. And then Rose and Jorge suggested we get on the bus.
Okay. Oh, it's green. It's green.
So that's what we did. We got on the bus and then dropped us off, and now we're gonna walk. Nice sunny day.
It's beautiful today.
Beautiful today, yeah. Welcome to Mexico City, here with two gringos on the Gulf. Saturday afternoon, 1:20. We got the Rush concert tonight. Are we on the right street, my love? Let's check the map. Well, we'll get up under the palm tree here, these big palm trees, and we'll check the map and make sure we're going the right way. Let's get in the shade. It's hot. Pretty sure we're going the right way, but let's double check. So we're just coming up to the park here.
The park is that big dome building.
Yeah, no, we've been down here lots. I've walked down here a few times. This is the way me and Jorge came when we were here. My first time here, we came this way. We walked all the way from his mom and dad's house, so it's gonna get busy here right away. Oh. So there's no, the bus terminal is here to the left. A lot of vendors here. I'll wait for little Jennifer here. Okay, beautiful day in the city. Saturday in the city. There's still a lot of tourists here right now for the soccer game, right? For FIFA, for the World Cup. A lot of people came here for the World Cup. So we got the Hilton Mexico City Reforma Hotel right over there to the right. And the park is right here beside us to the left. All the vendors here. Thanks for hopping on, truly appreciate it. If you like Mexico City content, smash that like button. We love Mexico City. This is a beautiful park here. I got,
Katrina's over there.
yeah, Katrina's there, yeah.
Sí, pero la banqueta.
See, the people of Mexico City are so, yeah, I can rent a bike, yeah. Hop on the bike. People are so friendly here. Don't let Mexico City scare you guys. It's super friendly. People are super, super nice here. Don't be afraid of Mexico City. It's a beautiful place filled with beautiful people. Busy. Just be careful or you'll get mowed over. Like poor little Jennifer yesterday. Oh, he's warm out. This is the first park that I come to. When I came here with Jorge, he brought me, we walked through this park. We've already walked through the park. Let's check out the street. I'll drop that park video in the description for you guys if you want to check it out. My first trip here to Mexico City with a local, my dear friend Jorge. We just come back from visiting his father. We went out and had breakfast with him. And we made sure we bought them breakfast because last time we told Rose we're buying them breakfast. And she snuck up and paid for it before we could do it. So this time, Jennifer snuck up and paid for the breakfast before she could do it. Because I don't think she was having it either again, eh? She was like...
Jorge was trying real hard to...
Yeah,
the situation,
I think he was, yeah. I think he was trying to reverse it. He was up there talking to the waitresses. We were teasing him. But stop flirting with the waitresses. He's 80, or just about to turn 80. He's 80 next year, he said, right? I believe. Yeah, he's gonna turn 80 next year. And Rose is 72?
71.
71. She turns 72 next year and he turns 80 next year. Yeah, they've got this all blocked off now. Look at the graffiti on it.
Mi canto es de los andamios para alcanzar las estrellas. El canto tiene
That's what they're doing in Merida too. They're blocking off all the monuments like that so they don't get vandalized anymore. Let's prevent vandalism.
¿Quieres un aguacate para de monedero o qué? ¿Onda?
You can see all the tents over there. Well, umbrellas, I guess, not tents, umbrellas. That's all vendors over there. You got all the umbrellas here. Here in Mexico 2026 with Dos Gringos, un Golfo, Dios te bendiga. Thanks for hopping on, guys. We really appreciate it. And girls. Chicos. One day after they won their big soccer match Mexico yesterday. A 20-minute walk. We'll keep you rolling for 20 minutes roughly. This be a 4K walking tour here. Let me lift you up, get a bird's eye view. Hold on, hold on. guys, that's our 4K walk through the mean streets of Mexico City. Thanks for hopping on. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Adios. Hasta luego. Remember, as always, be kind to one another. Dios te bendiga.
Adiós. Hasta el próximo video. Bye bye.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Another day's path fades to light. Walking with you feels so right.